Hey, hello everyone. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to share with you how you can quickly speed up your website using the content preload method. Okay, so now let's get started. First, you need to log into your WordPress and click Add Plugin and search for the plugin called WP Fastest Cache. Okay, so once you type in WP Fastest Cache, this is the plugin that you are going to install. I already installed this plugin, so I can go to the setting. So WP Fastest Cache, once you click on the setting, you will see this option. So what you need to do is to click Enable this cache system, enable this preload, go to Next. Make sure that you select Homepage, Posts, Pages, and Categories. Click Next, and then leave this default. Click Finish. After that, remember to click Submit. Okay, so that's all. So I hope that you find this video useful. If you want to learn more details about the other options, comment fast in the comments area. Or if you want to learn more other methods of ways of optimizing your website, comment more in the comments area. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.